In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate Instagram account 2025 step by step. Before we start, here's what deactivation actually means. This is a temporary pause. Your profile, photos, comments, and likes are hidden from everyone while your account is deactivated, and you can bring everything back simply by logging in again. Nothing is deleted, and you can change your mind later. To begin, open a web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. Head to Instagram.com and sign in with your username and password. Deactivation works most reliably in a browser, even on your phone, so it's best to do it here rather than inside the Instagram app. Make sure you know your password, because Instagram will ask you to confirm it before you finish. Once you're logged in, go to your profile by tapping or clicking your profile icon in the bottom right corner. On your profile page, choose Edit Profile. This takes you to a page with your basic details and account settings. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the Edit Profile page to find the option labeled Temporarily Deactivate My Account. On mobile browsers, you'll see this under your Bio section. On desktop, it's typically near the bottom right area of the page. Select that option to move forward. Instagram will ask why you're deactivating your account. Use the drop-down menu to pick a reason that fits you, such as needing a break or privacy concerns. This is a standard step to help Instagram understand why people pause their accounts. After choosing a reason, you'll be prompted to re-enter your password. This security check confirms it's really you making the change. Next, click or tap Temporarily Deactivate Account and confirm when Instagram asks. After you confirm, your account goes into a hidden state. Your profile disappears from search and from other people's followers lists, and your posts, comments, and likes are no longer visible. Direct messages you've already sent may still appear in other people's inboxes, but your name may show differently while your account is deactivated. When you're ready to come back, simply return to Instagram.com or open the app and log in with your username and password. That single login reactivates your account and restores your profile and content